Philly is in the building. First car show. Zooming on that. First place. King of the Mountain.
That's the biggest trophy right there.
You know what I mean? More niggas even know what the title of trophy is.
Oh, no, wait. Before you say something, introduce yourself.
Oh, this is Charlie, BossBox. BossBox cover on Facebook, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and my man Troy did it big with this, man. First place, hey, bring it up, get one check, that's all I gotta say.
Who the man in the middle?
Frank White, I mean, he got that purple and black.
What's that on your shirt?
STUNTWORLD, man, purple and black Camaro Tucson. You know what I mean?
World, man.
That's it.
World, man.
Y'all
Trophies, man.
deeper than Craigslist.
Trophies.
You know what I mean? What up?
Crazy, man. I'm happy, man.
What more can you say?
What more can you say,
man?
I did lie.
King of the Montes on deck.
King of the Montes on deck. They say the spell who?
STUNTWORLD, man. Nothing so hard, nigga. Y'all niggas hate STUNTWORLD.
Niggas hate me already.